Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to print integer, float and char data type variable through printf function. So we will create a new file and save this with a .c extension. I'm giving the name tutorial2 and save. Include a header file stdio.h and another include conio.h if you are working on Turbo C, and write a function in main. Main is the function which is called automatically by the program starter and return the value 0. On the upper we will define some variable with an integer data type called a equal some value 22 and a float data type variable float f, or you can take b also, and in the float we assign the value in decimals 1.23 or something, and we will define a char data type variable char c equal something like x. In the char type data type you can only assign a single character, not more than single character. If you want to assign more than single character, you will make a character array to assign that. We will learn about this in our future videos. Now in the printf function we will write %d. This is a placeholder where we will display our variable, and a is the name of that variable in which we have assigned our integer value, and we will also write a printf %f. %f is the placeholder for float type values, and we will also create another %c for character type variables. Or we can also do this thing in a single line of code. Write %d, %f, %c, and after this give a comma, write value one by one in the order of their placeholders. Like if we are writing %d first, then we will also write integer type variable first, then float, and then char. Just finish with the semicolon and write get ch. This is for Turbo C students, and build and run. Now you can see, just let me give some space to make this visible. Okay, save this file and run. Now you can easily differentiate the variables values. This is the 22 1.23000 and our char variable x. This is the output printed by these 3 lines of code, and this is the output displayed by the 1 line of code. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button or subscribe to this channel. If you want to more tutorials in the text, you can download our learning app. Links is in the description.